Garmin Cirqa Smart Band is being marketed as a minimalist, screenless fitness tracker focused purely on health, sleep, and recovery. But here's the catch. It's not even fully released yet. So the real question is whether it's worth waiting for or just hype. What it actually is, based on leaks. Unlike typical fitness trackers, the Cirqa is designed to be screenless, no notifications, no apps. Focus on passive tracking, sleep recovery, heart rate. Built as a Whoop-style wearable rather than a smartwatch. Think of it less like a watch and more like a background health sensor. What it could do well. True distraction-free tracking. No screen means zero interruptions, just data collection. This is great if you want to focus on recovery and performance instead of notifications. Strong Garmin ecosystem. Garmin is known for accurate fitness data and analytics, so integration with its app could be a big advantage. Where it falls short, not even officially released yet. Most info comes from leaks, no confirmed pricing, full specs, or real-world reviews yet. No screen equals limited usability. You'll need your phone to see everything. If you like quick stats on your wrist, this will feel inconvenient. Possible subscription concerns. There are concerns. Garmin might lock advanced insights behind paid features, similar to competitors. Bottom line, Garmin Cirqa Smart Band looks like a legit upcoming fitness tracker, not a scam, but it's still in the hype/leak phase. It could be great if you care about sleep, recovery, and long-term health insights. But until real reviews come out, it's not something you should rush to buy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.